International Institute of Business Studies, Bangalore has received an overall rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars by students on Shiksha.com. Let's explore the BA program offered here in this review, starting with the 3.7 star rated placements. Students report that top recruiters were Decathlon, Vedantu, Crystal Property and Microsoft. The top roles offered were business analyst and financial analyst. In 2024, the highest package offered was 11 lakh per annum, while the average was 4.5 lakh per annum. Compared to Christ University, the average package at IIBS has significant room for improvement. Moving on now to the academic offerings, where the BA course is rated 4.1 stars. IIBS offers BA Liberal Arts along with an integrated BA plus MBA program. Additionally, it offers BA program with comprehensive IAS coaching. For admissions, candidates must have 50% marks in 10+2 and a qualifying score in IIB set. The total tuition fee for the 3-year BA program, including hostel and mess charge, is around 13 lakh rupees. The institute offers merit-based scholarships through the IIBS entrance exam. Karnataka students can access 10 free seats with a 100% fee waiver, while out-of-the-state students can receive scholarships up to 1,95,000 rupees. Turning our attention to infrastructure rated 4.2 stars. The campus includes digital classrooms, an extensive library, an auditorium, seminar halls, computer labs, and cafeterias. The hostel facilities offer separate accommodations for boys and girls with single and dual share occupancy. For sports enthusiasts, the campus has badminton, basketball, table tennis, and a gymnasium. Shifting focus to faculty and course rated 4.1 stars. Students highlight that the faculty members bring strong expertise to their teaching. The curriculum blends theoretical knowledge with practical sessions, case studies, projects, industrial visits, and international tours, making it highly industry-oriented. Looking at the 4.4 star rated campus life. IIBS has 14 student clubs including marketing, finance, HR, agriculture, ISR, research, readers forum, fine arts, entrepreneurship, adventure, sports, media and entertainment, event management, and Rotak Club. The campus also organizes multiple events throughout the year such as Navratri celebration, Onam celebration, Ganesh Chaturthi festival, Holi celebration, sports meet. The highly anticipated events are Ethnic Day, Intercollegiate Fest, and Intra-Collegiate Management and Cultural Fest. Lastly, in the NIR of 2024, International Institute of Business Studies is currently unranked. For more details on International Institute of Business Studies and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We'd love to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.